Hi. This is Holmes Guide. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the realm of gaming hardware to uncover the best DDR4 RAM for optimal gaming performance. Whether you're a competitive esports player or a casual gamer, choosing the right RAM can make all the difference. Subscribe for expert insights, and don't forget to like, comment, and share your thoughts with the community. Number 1. Crucial RAM 16GB DDR4 3200 MHz CL22 laptop memory. Elevate your laptop's performance to unprecedented levels with this powerhouse of speed and reliability. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or multitasker extraordinaire, this memory module ensures seamless operations and lightning-fast data processing. Boasting exceptional speeds of 3200 MHz, and also available in 2933 MHz or 2666 MHz variants, this RAM delivers uncompromising performance for all your computing needs. Say goodbye to lag and hello to smooth, uninterrupted workflows. With Crucial's renowned quality and reliability, rest assured that your laptop is in good hands. Upgrade to Crucial RAM today and experience the difference firsthand. Number 2. Patriot Memory Viper Steel DDR4 16GB, 1x16GB, 3600 MHz module. Let me just say, this RAM module packs a serious punch. The brand reputation of Patriot Memory precedes itself, and the Viper Steel series lives up to the hype. With its blazing fast 3600 MHz speed, multitasking becomes a breeze, whether you're gaming, editing, or running intensive applications. The sleek design not only looks great in any build but also ensures optimal heat dissipation for consistent performance. Installation is a breeze, making it perfect for both seasoned builders and newcomers alike. Overall, if you're looking to supercharge your system's performance, the Patriot Memory Viper Steel DDR4 16GB module is an excellent choice that won't disappoint. Number 3. TAMGROUP T-Force Delta RGB DDR4 32GB, 2x16GB, 3600 MHz, PC4-28800, CL18 Desktop Gaming Memory Module RAM. This powerhouse RAM kit not only delivers blazing fast speeds of 3600 MHz but also boasts a sleek design with customizable RGB lighting to elevate your gaming rig's aesthetics. With a total capacity of 32GB spread across two 16GB modules, it ensures smooth multitasking and seamless gaming performance. The CL18 latency ensures responsive operation, perfect for demanding gaming sessions. Whether you're a competitive gamer or a content creator, the T-Force Delta RGB DDR4 is a must-have for anyone looking to take their PC setup to the next level. Number 4. Kingston Fury Impact 32GB, 2x16GB, 3200 metric tons per second DDR4 CL20 laptop memory kit of 2, a game-changer in laptop performance. Designed for both Intel XMP and AMD Ryzen platforms, this kit offers seamless compatibility and exceptional speed, ensuring your system runs smoother and faster than ever before. With its plug-and-play functionality, installation is a breeze, saving you time and hassle. Plus, its low power consumption means you can enjoy enhanced performance without sacrificing battery life. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or professional multitasker, the Kingston Fury Impact Memory Kit delivers the performance and reliability you need to stay ahead of the game. Number 5. Silicon Power presents a game-changer for Apple users with their Hynix IC-compatible DDR3 DDR3L 16GB RAM upgrade. Boasting seamless compatibility with a wide range of Apple devices, this kit offers a substantial performance boost. With a clock speed of 1600 MHz and low CL11 latency, tasks are executed swiftly and smoothly, be it intensive multitasking or resource-hungry applications. The 204-pin SODIMM design ensures easy installation, while the 1.35V power requirement promotes energy efficiency. Whether you're a creative professional pushing the limits of your MacBook or a casual user looking to breathe new life into an aging machine, Silicon Power's RAM module upgrade is a cost-effective solution for unlocking your device's full potential. In conclusion, selecting the best RAM for your gaming laptop can significantly enhance performance and overall gaming experience. Whether prioritizing speed, capacity, or affordability, there's a perfect match for every gamer's needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and be sure to like and share this video for more insightful content.